This is Barry, and I'm bearing witness to the moment. And in this moment, I want to share a story with you. So, yesterday, I was on a coaching call, and while I was on the call, I could smell dog shit. And I'm thinking, why does it smell like dog shit in my house? And I was really focusing more on my coaching session, which is something I really love to do, stay very, very present. When I came downstairs, I could still smell it, and I looked around and I see the source. There is not really a pile, but there's part of a pile on the floor, and it has been smeared around my house by my beloved vacuum cleaner, Bob, who's a robot, and just little lines of shit throughout my living room. So I get out all the supplies I need to clean it up, and then I decide I better look at Bob, see how much is on him, and it was everywhere on the bottom, in the wheels, just all over the place. So I take it apart, give it a good cleaning. It took me about 2.5 hours. And as I did it, I thought about all the people in Macau, and all the people in Houston, all the people in Louisiana, and all the people who are anywhere in the world dealing with really horrific shit and real contamination. I mean, what I was dealing with was, microbes that I'm probably pretty used to because it's my own dog. But these places have really horrible, horrible things going on. And I thought to myself, what's the best way to help them? And in my mind, what came to me in that moment, as I was bearing witness, was this concept of being aware, of the moment and witnessing what the earth wants us to do, and to ask the earth, how can we help clean up the mess that we're in? Those are my thoughts. Bye.